Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for the Mova P10 Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in the P10, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's take a look at the vacuum and we'll go over its common maintenance. We'll start at the very top. Always investigate this main bumper right here for any debris or obstacles that might be in the way from affecting its movement, and then just remove it. We can pop open the cover here that reveals our dustbin. So we can take that out. They actually have your care and cleaning instructions built directly into it. Basically, you can open this up, you can rinse off the filter in the dustbin, just give it enough time to properly dry. So just pop that open, pop off the filter, give it a couple of taps, wash it out, rinse it out. Same with the inside here. You can see too, like this little door opens. If you want to empty stuff out, get water out, all of that there with our dustbin. Simple, straightforward. And then just make sure you pop the filter back down and in place and give it plenty of time to dry, at least a day. Have it sit out and dry for a day if you get all of this wet. Moving along to the inside here, not much to it, but you can investigate for any debris that might be stuck and just remove. Grab a can of compressed air or just wipe it down. Looking at the side of the vacuum, starting with the very front, just wipe down the sensor suite with a microfiber cloth. We'll keep moving around the side. This is where the self-empty empties into the station from the dustbin, so you can investigate that air and make sure it's clean. On the back, you can wipe down this sensor and clean the charging contacts. And then we have one more sensor on the side right there. Looking at the underside, we have a couple more sensors that we can wipe off. Moving along to the side brush, you can use a screwdriver to remove this if it's time to replace. Once you notice the brush bristle's really worn out, you can cut away hair tangles. For the main brush roller, this is washable and rinsable as well. And these end pieces just pop off, so they just pull out. So you might notice a lot of hair wrap around both sides here with the design of this roller. If it's not stuck dead center, you'll find the hair wrapped around the side. So you can just pull this out and then very easily clean and remove the hair. And you can do that on both sides here. Just pops right off. So just pull it out and then just gently press it back in place. And you can wipe down in here where the brush roller is. On the mop pads, both of these are removable, just the magnetic plates. Velcro, so if you want to give these a deeper wash in your washing machine, you can do that, or when they're worn out, you can replace them as well very easily. And just wipe down in here. Keep an eye on this section. This is the one that extends out to make sure it's free from any debris or obstructions. And for those wondering, the omnidirectional wheel is removable, not the housing, so grab a screwdriver. Don't use excessive force. Should be able just to kind of pry the center wheel out, like we're doing here. So just gently keep working it up and out of the vacuum. So we're almost there. See if we can try from this side. Grab a smaller screwdriver if you have it. But there we go. Just gently pry that wheel off so you can cut away or remove any hair tangles. And then just gently snap it right back in place. So that's it. Very simple and straightforward to take care and maintain your Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2.